welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of my vlog. And for those who are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video in my vlog. And for today's episode, I'll be showing you some ways on how to lighten your underarms and also other dark spots areas in our bodies. So this quarantine or this pandemic really made me realize that there are so many things in our kitchen that can really be of use for beauty and wellness purposes. And I know that everyone cannot really afford to go to a salon or a dermatologist just to fix some imperfections in our body. So this is just my ways on how to save money going to expensive salons and also to dermatologists. So for today, I'll be showing you how I was able to get rid of my dark spots in my underarms and also other areas of my bodies. So here are the materials that we need to use. These are the different things that we will be using for our DIY solution to lighten the dark spots and also to lighten our dark underarms. So you have the baking powder and also the lemon juice. When it comes to the baking powder, it really depends on you what brand that you want to use. But for me, this is just a brand that I saw in the grocery store, so I'll just pick it up and make use of it. Now for the lemon, it also depends on you how many lemons that you want to squeeze and make it into a juice. So for me, I only use one, but sometimes I use it like 2 or 3 because I want to make more and just store it in the fridge so that on the following days it will be easy for me to just get it from the fridge and then put it to the areas where there are dark spots that I want to get rid of. So once you are done with all of the materials, or once you're done setting up all the materials, then we're good to go to mix them together. So here's our finished product and it smells good as well. So you're now ready to apply the solution to the dark areas that you want to get rid of. All you have to do is just make use of your finger to apply it to the areas, or you can make use of a brush or any applicator that you can make use, but I usually use my hands so that it will be evenly spread out. And also just leave it there for 2 to 3 minutes and then you can wash it off. The good thing about this DIY solution, it does not only lighten up the dark areas or dark spots in our bodies, but it can also be used to tighten the pores of your facial skin. So I've been using this one for 3 months now and I love it. It's amazing. It's since I have an oily skin and also an acne prone skin, so I really need this one and it did work for me and I hope it will also work on you. So here's the result. So just kind of look at that. So it's really even now and also on the other side. So be confident in raising your arms without any hesitations. So what are you waiting for? Just go to your kitchen, look for baking powder and lemon, squeeze it, mix them together, and you're good to go. So if this vlog really helps you or you find this one amazing, please do leave a comment and also like this video. So I hope to see you in my next vlog. And again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again to my next vlog.